Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel CodeMed Mastery. In today's video, let us study the Global Surgical Package. The Global Surgical Package is often referred to as Global Surgical Period. We'll study this in detail. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. What is Global Surgical Period? It is a medical billing concept that bundles all services related to a surgery into a single payment. Global Surgical Package is a bundled payment system which covers all routine services provided by a surgeon before, during and after a surgical procedure. So instead of billing each service separately, providers receive a single payment. Okay? The goal of Global Surgical Period is to simplify billing and cover all routine care for a set period from pre-operative to post-operative. Next, what is included in Global Surgical Period? Pre-surgery, that is pre-operative visits that lead to the decision for surgery. The main event, that is the surgical procedure itself. And post-surgery, that is routine follow-up care which includes office visits, dressing changes, suture removal and management of normal recovery issues. So all these are included in Global Surgical Period. Let us see how long does the global period last. 90-day period. This is for major surgeries. For example, hip replacement, heart surgery. It includes day before surgery, the day of surgery and 90 days after the surgery. Next is 10-day period. This is for minor surgeries. For example, skin biopsy or small procedures. It includes the day of surgery and 10 days after the surgery. Next is 0-day period. This is for simple procedures which only covers the service on the day it's performed. The global indicator for 90-day period is 090. The global indicator for 10-day period is 010 and the global indicator for 0-day period is 000. Next, let us see what is not included in the Global Surgical Package. First, the services that are billed separately. Second, unrelated issues. For example, care for a new, different medical problem that arises after surgery. Additional procedures, that is a new surgery that is not related to the first one. This is not included in Global Surgical Period. And special test. For example, diagnostic test like X-ray or blood work, it is not included in Global Surgical Period. And complex complications. For example, care for a complication that requires a return to the operating room. So all these services are not included in Global Surgical Period. Global Surgical Package is often referred to as Global Surgical Period, which means that Global Surgical Package is a billing concept. It refers to bundled payment that includes all related services. For example, preoperative, intraoperative and post-operative. And Global Surgical Period is a time frame. It refers to the specific number of days during which all routine post-operative care is covered under the package. For example, 0, 10 or 90 days.